How FDA approves drugs faster. Priority review, fast track designation, and breakthrough therapy. Let's first talk about fast track designation. Fast track is granted to drugs intended for serious conditions that address an unmet medical need under Section 506B of the FD&C Act. Its specialty includes frequent FDA sponsor meetings and rolling review, where the sponsor can submit completed portions of the NDA/BLA early, while other sections are still being prepared. Rolling review allows the FDA to start evaluating the application sooner, reducing overall development time. Qualifying criteria require evidence that the drug may provide a meaningful therapeutic advantage or serve conditions with no available treatments. Breakthrough therapy designation. Breakthrough therapy designation is a mechanism under Section 506A of the FD&C Act, which applies when a drug is intended to treat a serious or life-threatening disease and the sponsor provides preliminary clinical evidence indicating that the drug may demonstrate substantial improvement over available therapies on one or more clinically significant endpoints. A clinically significant endpoint typically refers to an effect on irreversible morbidity or mortality, IMM, or symptoms representing serious consequences of a disease condition. Qualifying criteria require early human evidence of major clinical benefit, not just theoretical potential. Specialty: intensive FDA guidance with involvement of senior reviewers to optimize trial design and development. Third is priority review. Priority review accelerates the final evaluation of an NDA or BLA, shortening the FDA action goal from 10 months to 6 months. Its specialty is improving review speed, not development speed. Qualifying criteria include evidence that the drug would provide significant improvements in safety or effectiveness compared to standard therapy. Key differences: first, fast track speeds up drug development through enhanced FDA sponsor communication. Second, breakthrough therapy speeds up clinical development for drugs showing exceptional early clinical results. Third, priority review speeds up final FDA review, reducing the review clock from 10 months to 6 months.